Most people talk about making big money with a USA-based YouTube channel, but very few actually show the real steps to set it up properly. In this video, I'll cover everything step by step. How to create a USA-based channel, verify it, determine the best times to upload for American viewers, and promote your videos to get US subscribers and views. I'll also explain whether you need a VPN and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. And trust me, if you follow this complete guide, you'll be able to grow your USA channel easily. You'll even learn a few secret tips that can help your channel grow faster in less time. Before creating your channel, make sure you already have a unique name and a nice logo. To get YouTube channel name ideas, go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a USA-based YouTube channel. Make sure to also mention what your channel is about. For example, whether it's a tech, vlog, or movie explanation channel. ChatGPT will then suggest several unique and creative channel name ideas. Choose the one that fits your channel perfectly and that you like the most. But here's one important thing: make sure to choose a name that isn't already used by any popular YouTube channel. Here I found a name. Let's check it on YouTube. When I searched for the name, I found an existing YouTube channel with the same name, and it's already a popular one. So we'll ignore this name and try another one. I tried another name, and this time there were no popular channels using it. So we can safely choose this name for our channel. Now let's create the YouTube banner and logo. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional graphic designer. Using some simple steps, anyone can create a professional logo or YouTube banner. For this, we'll use Canva. Canva is a popular design platform that you can use for free for basic needs. If you want more features, you can also get premium access at a very low price. Before starting the logo and banner design, many of us don't know the perfect size and measurements. So let's clarify this first. Here you can see the YouTube banner and logo sizes. You'll get information about the different device displays, including tablet, mobile, TV, and desktop. Here, it's also important to highlight the focal point. The focal point is the central area of your banner or logo that will always be visible across all devices. After this, you'll also get an idea about the perfect thumbnail size. Recommended thumbnail size is 1280 x 720 pixels. Here are some thumbnail samples for reference. You'll also see the ideal size for a YouTube channel profile logo, which is 800 x 800 pixels. Finally, here is the YouTube video size. I hope now you have a complete understanding of the perfect sizes for your channel's banner, logo, thumbnail, and videos. Now let's create a YouTube banner using Canva. First, go to canva.com. Select custom size, and you'll see options for width and height. Make sure to set the unit to pixels. Next, follow the YouTube banner size guidelines and enter the measurements just like I'm doing. Also, remember to keep all important elements within the safe area so your design looks perfect on all devices. Once the width and height are set, click the Create button. Now you'll get the canvas where you can start designing your banner. As I mentioned before, I'll first create a safe area to make sure all text and important elements are clearly visible on every device. To create the safe area, go to Elements and search for Shape. Drag the shape onto your canvas. Then resize it according to the measurements of the safe area. This step is optional, but you can also add your text in the center to see how it will appear across all devices. Once the safe area size is set, go to the Design option. In the search box, type YouTube banner, and you'll see many ready-made templates. Choose the one that matches your channel style or niche. Now add your YouTube channel name and customize the design as you like. You'll also find plenty of tutorial videos on Canva that can help you create beautiful designs. It's really easy to do. Now that our banner and logo images are ready, let's move on to the next step, creating the USA-based YouTube channel. First, we'll set up a VPN. You can use any VPN you prefer, but in this tutorial, I'll be using Browsec VPN. Go to Google and search for Browsec VPN. You'll also find the download link in the description box. Once it's installed, open the app and select a US server, for example, New York, USA, and then turn on the VPN. Do not turn off the VPN until the entire channel creation process is complete. If you disconnect it midway, your location may change, and the setup might not work properly. Now go and create a fresh Gmail account that hasn't been used to make any YouTube channel before. Once that's done, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see the option Create a Channel. Click on it to start creating your new channel. You can change your channel name if you want. Choose the one you finalized earlier, and then click the Create button. Now you'll see a new interface, and from here on, you need to pay close attention, because this is the most important part of the setup. From here, click on YouTube Studio and then select the Customization option. Here, you'll find the section to upload your channel banner and logo image, along with several other important settings below. In the description box, add some information about your channel, what it's about, what type of content you'll upload, and your goals. Also, don't forget to add your Gmail address, so that others can easily contact you for collaborations or sponsorships. Just below that, you'll find another option called Links. Here, you can add your social media account links, such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter to help your audience connect with you. Now add Mail account here, and upload the banner and logo images we created earlier. You can see that the banner image we created fits perfectly here. It looks clean and professional. Now let's upload the profile picture we designed earlier. Below this section, you'll find the option to add a video watermark. This watermark appears on all your videos and helps viewers recognize your channel and subscribe easily. Now, let's go to the settings option. First, you'll see the currency section. Keep it as it is, set to US dollar. Next, click on the Channel tab. Here, you'll find the option for country of residence. From this menu, select United States. Below that, you'll see another option, Keywords box. Add keywords related to your channel's niche. These help YouTube understand what your channel is about. If you're not sure which keywords to use, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest the best ones for your topic. Now, let's go to the Advanced option. Here, you'll be asked whether your channel is made for kids. If your content is specifically for children, select Yes. If not, select No. The other settings don't need to be changed. You can keep them as they are. Now, let's go to the Features Eligibility option. First, select the Standard Features section and choose Eligible. Then, click on Verify your phone number. You can use a phone number from any country. It doesn't have to be a US number. Now, click on the Upload Defaults option. This section is used when you upload video content. So for now, you can leave it as it is. In the Advanced option, simply change the language to English and keep all the other settings as they are. In the Permissions section, you can set the ownership of your channel and manage who has access to it, so no need to change it. The other features don't require major changes. Keep them as they are. Once everything is done, click Save and your USA-based YouTube channel is successfully created.